Hello friends, this is Tanya here again with another product close-up video for the Greatest Friends on Earth release. This time I'm using the Hometown Parade coordinating stamps and dies. This stamp set features a cute hippo, a pig, a mouse in a car, a little tricycle it looks like, a flag, several sentiments, a ball, a goose drumming, or a duck. And what was that last little tiny image? Oh yeah, a fish bowl. Each of these sentiments fits in the flag, which is adorable. We've got let's celebrate, happy birthday, congratulations, and welcome little one. I love that one for a baby card. And here they are all stamped and die cut. I did a little Copic coloring on the flag before I stamped them. Let's celebrate, congratulations, welcome little one, and happy birthday. And here are a few examples created by the design team for you to enjoy. This one is by Jeannie, and this one by Jenny Hall, and this one by Shanna, which is a pop-up card. Here's a fun one by Cassie Trask. And this one is by Emily. I love all these little parades. And this fun one by Carrie Rhodes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment and do that now. If you're interested in the products that were just shown in this video, check the description box below for links. Until next time, bye-bye.